How to use Klarna in store. Open the Klarna app and log into your account. On the home screen, you'll choose the In-Store option. Then select the retail shop you want to purchase from. You'll be required to create a digital card that you'll use to pay with. Thus, follow the instructions to create one. After Klarna creates your one-time card, you'll add it to your digital wallet. If you're using an Android phone, you'll add the digital card to the Google Wallet. If you're using an iPhone, you'll add the digital card to your Apple Wallet. When you're done with your shopping and are ready to pay, you'll access your digital card from your digital wallet. Making the payment is easy, since you only need to tap your mobile device to the payment terminal and pay. Additionally, some retailers have QR codes, and you can also scan a QR code in the payment terminal. Select the preferred payment option, which is Klarna in this case, and confirm payment. Thanks for watching.